Hey future doctors and engineers, welcome back to the channel. If you are gearing up for NEET or JEE, you are probably feeling the pressure as the big day approaches. But don't worry, I have got you covered with some final exam tips that will help you stay on track and perform your best. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, prioritize important topics. Now it's crunch time and you don't have the luxury of studying everything in depth. So focus on the topics that carry the most weight. For NEET, make sure you are revising high yield biology topics like human physiology, genetics, and cell biology. For JEE, focus on mechanics, electrostatics, and calculus in mathematics. Trust me, this will save you time and energy. Tip number 2, revise regularly and don't cram. I know it's tempting to cram the night before, but effective revision is way better. Go through your key concepts, formulas, and reactions that you have already studied. Quick revision is more effective than trying to learn new things last minute. Tip number 3, take mock tests. They like your secret weapon. By simulating the real exam, you get used to timing and pressure. And the best part, you get to identify your weak areas. So take as many full length mock tests as you can and make sure to review them afterward to learn from mistakes. Tip number 4, time management in the exam. Whether it's NEET or JEE, you have got limited time, so managing it well is key. For NEET, start with biology since it's easier and quicker. Then move on to chemistry and finally physics. For JEE, prioritize the section you are most confident about, but don't spend too long any single question. Time is precious, so be strategic. Tip number 5, stay calm and confident. I know it's easier said than done, but you have worked hard and you are ready. Don't let last minute stress get to you. Believe in yourself. Take deep breath. Stay positive, stay focused. Confidence and can make all the differences. Tip number 6, stay healthy and rested. Get enough sleep 6 to 8 hours a night. Avoid late night cramming sessions because they will make you feel drained the next day. Eat healthy, stay hydrated, and don't forget to take short breaks when you study. Tip number 7, solve previous year papers. This is your opportunity to get familiar with the pattern of the exam and the kind of questions that are often asked. By solving them, you will also improve your speed and accuracy. So make sure you dedicate some time to this before the big day. And the tip number 8, don't neglect NCERT. Especially for NEET, NCERT is your best friend. For JEE, while you need extra resources, NCERT will give you a solid foundation. Go through the chapters, especially in physics and chemistry. Tip number 9, focus on accuracy, not speed. It's tempting to rush, but accuracy is what really matters in both NEET and JEE. Don't let small mistakes ruin your chances. Check your answers, double check your calculations, and only move when you are confident. Tip number 10, be mindful of exam day strategy. On the exam day, stay calm and follow your plan approach. Don't waste too much time on any one question. If you are stuck, skip it and come back to it later. Remember, every minute counts. And the last bonus tip is keep positive company. And here is the bonus tip, surround yourself with positive, motivated people. The last thing you need is negativity or distractions. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing yourself. Best of luck for your exams. Stay focused and stay positive. Until next time, keep studying and stay confident. See you in the next video.